All right, what's up, everyone? Mike here with the watch list video for Tuesday, October 10th. The SPY gapped down today on the weekend news, but ended up rallying pretty strong. The Dow was up about 200 points. I guess you could call that impressive action. I had a green day, but only because I traded in pre-market. I think I took two trades all day in the regular session. I had one winner and one loser. So anyway, one of those aggravating days to me. I like hated today because, well, let's go to 5-minute candles on the SPY. So the gap down, sideways, 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 then kind of broke, came back, retested, and then had a decent move. But there weren't a lot of standouts with the exception of like PRZO, which, it's traded 162 million shares. When they get crowded like that, they get super unpredictable. So I try to stay away from those. We talk about that a lot. Having said all that, I feel like I've got some decent looking charts to possibly trade tomorrow, right? So we'll start with PRZO. It ended up closing pretty strong, I guess. Topped out at 85, I think, right? At 285. Anyway, Israeli defense play, the best I can tell, and a pretty low float. And so, and I don't know, what has it been trading, like 3 months? And so it's still below all-time highs, certainly some massive volume. So I definitely want to watch that one tomorrow. MTEK, kind of in that same space, I think. Israeli, one is, I think, drones, and then this one is like security systems. But anyway, nice little breakout in MTEK, so we're going to watch that one. AMC continues to be strong. I'm going to watch that tomorrow for a possible setup. ACXP, big move. Really extended, but we're going to watch that one all week. You guys know I'm an intraday trader, but I start with strong stocks, and then I look for intraday setups. So IONQ, you know what? I am going to pull this off. I was trying to fill my list, and earlier it was kind of looking like it was kind of coiled here, but closing well off its highs. I'm not saying don't watch it, but I'm taking it off the list. BNOX is really just coiling. It had the gap up, sold off, put in a lower high, another lower high, but also I guess you could call this a higher low after this pullback. So I view this as coiling and tightening, and maybe it resolves to the upside. I don't have a lot to watch, so I'm going to watch it. PLTR had kind of a little mini breakout today. We're going to watch that one for some possible follow through tomorrow. ALXO. I like the big rip Friday and the inside day today. Looking for a third day play. KTOS. My memory tells me this is... yeah, there it is, defense and security. So, and had a nice pop today and a pretty strong close. And the thing I like about it is today's high, let me get the numbers right, 1692. And then I look to the left, and the most recent high is 1731. So if we break today's high tomorrow out of a good setup, then we know we've got another potential catalyst just to the left on the chart, right? So that's why I like that look. SMR, nice rip on Friday. Quiet inside day today. Looking for a third day play there. VSME. Crazy stuff. But anyway, I'm putting this right back on Bounce Watch. No trades in it today. It goes right back on Bounce Watch, as does CART. C-A-R-T. I wish it didn't have the bottoming tail, honestly. I guess it must have rallied in the afternoon because last time, yeah, it had a nice afternoon rally because last time I looked at it, it was down here. And I thought, hey, this is going to look good tomorrow for a bounce play. Anyway, it still meets my bounce play parameters. And maybe, let me throw this one on your radar. IMUX closed at 159. As I'm talking right now, we're only 11 minutes into the after-hour session. It's trading at 190. So if that holds up, we got a possible gapper tomorrow. So we'll watch that one. And that's it. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. And we'll see everybody in the chat room in the morning. Have a great night.